Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Asana and Microsoft Planner. Now I have here the pros and cons for each one of them, so we're gonna take a look and see which productivity tool is better. For Asana is best for teams needing structured project workflows and integrations. They offer multiple views such as list, board, timeline, and calendar. Strong task dependencies, automations, and integrations. Great for cross-functional teams and complex projects. The downside, advanced features are behind a paywall. More powerful and flexible for growing teams or complex projects. Then we have Microsoft Planner, which is best for teams already using Microsoft 365 who need basic task management. Simple Kanban style task boards, seamlessly integrates with Teams, Outlook, and other Microsoft tools. Easy for small teams and basic task tracking. Downside, limited features. Microsoft Planner is great for Microsoft 360 users with simple task needs. So these are the pros and cons. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.